Just down to my office first thing this morning to get some business done before our farm meeting. Making some coffee, but I found that this thing's starting to leak. Looks like the old coffee maker has pretty much seen its day, so I'll have to get a new one in here. Can't be without my coffee. Now that I have my melters cleaned up and melting wax again, I'll be doing a bit of wax chores every day now, just cycling through all the blocks of wax, zap that honey out, strain just a little bit of the slum that might be left in there, and pour them back into my molds to settle, and then stack them onto my pallet for sale. So if I keep at this, I should be able to get this through in a couple weeks, depending if I can keep at it every day. And I get this wax to market and get paid. There's something extremely satisfying about the smell of melted wax in the honey house. I walk in the morning and it's just a beautiful smell. And there's something extremely satisfying about pouring wax. It's a byproduct of the honey production period, and it's like we're cashing in this little, bonus at the end of the year. As everything comes together.